Hello guys, welcome to another video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to trade cryptocurrency with leverage using your mobile phone. But before I go into that, if you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly do by hitting the subscribe button below. Also turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. This is the trading platform I'm going to use for this training. If you're new to this trading platform, I dropped a link on the description. You can use the link to download your trading platform on your smartphone. With that being said, let me go into the video. So before I show you how to trade, let me first of all explain what trading with leverage means. Leverage in cryptocurrency trading using this platform, let me explain it as thus. Assuming you want to buy Bitcoin with $100, you have the $100 on your account and you want to buy Bitcoin at a leverage of 1:3, which is also known as X3. This simply means that if the price of Bitcoin increases by 1%, normally if you're trading Bitcoin without leverage, if Bitcoin increases by 1%, you're supposed to get $1. But because you're trading with a leverage of 3, you will now get times 3 of what you're supposed to make, which is what? $3. If it increases by 1%. That is how leverage works. Let me give you another example. Now, assuming you have $100 and you bought Bitcoin with a leverage of 10, 1:10, also known as X10, and the price of Bitcoin increases by what? 1%. If you're trading without leverage, you're supposed to get $1 as what? Your profit. But because you're using a leverage of 10, you now get $10. That is how leverage works. Assuming you have $100 in your account, in your trading account, and you use it to buy Bitcoin or Ethereum with a leverage of 1:100. Also, it can also known as X100. Now, if the price of Bitcoin rises by 1%, if you're trading without leverage, you're supposed to get $1. But because you're trading with a leverage of 100, you now make $100 as your profit. This is how leverage works. Now, let me show you how to trade cryptocurrency, different types of cryptocurrency on this platform. First thing you need to do is to click the add button here. Once you do that, this page will appear. So the next thing you do is you click on cryptocurrency, as you can see, as the arrow indicates. Then once you do that, you see different types of cryptocurrencies. You have Ethereum, Bitcoin. If you notice, you see there's two Bitcoin here. Bitcoin with the X denoted by X100, and Bitcoin, this Bitcoin here, and it's denoted by the leverage is X10. So it depends on your risk appetite. If you want to trade with higher leverage, then you trade this Bitcoin here. If you want to trade with lower leverage, you go for this. The same thing applies to other assets like Ethereum. This is Ethereum here, and the leverage here is X5. There's another Ethereum down here. Okay, look at it here. This here, and the leverage is X50. So if you want to trade with higher leverage, you trade this Ethereum here. If you want to trade with lower leverage, you go with the Ethereum with lower leverage. The same applies to other cryptos like Tron, Litecoin, Bitcoin Cash, and the rest. Assuming I want to trade Bitcoin, what you just do is you select Bitcoin. Let me trade with the one with lower leverage, that is X10. You just click on it. Then this is the price action for Bitcoin for 1 year. As you can see, 1 year is indicated here. So if I want to check the price action for a day, I'll just click 1 day here. As indicated, 1D means 1 day. I'll just click 1 day. So this is the price action for Bitcoin for a day. When I say price action, it simply means the price of Bitcoin, the price Bitcoin made within the last 24 hours. So that is what I mean when I say price action. If you want to check the price action for 1 week, you select 1 week here as indicated by the arrow. You click 1 week. So in the past 1 week, this is the price action for Bitcoin. So this can help you to analyze and know if you're going for a buy or a sell position. For you to trade Bitcoin, this is what you do. The first step you do is let me bring it down to 1 day view so that it will be clear enough. Let me also explain. If you see this number here, this is the current price of Bitcoin, which sells for $10,159. This is the current price of Bitcoin. And if you notice, you will see a line here called axe and a line here called bid. So this is the current price of Bitcoin at this point. So this axe here, this axe price here, is the price the broker is willing to sell Bitcoin if you open a buy position. And this bid here is the price the broker is willing to sell Bitcoin if you open a sell position. So that, and the difference between these two is what is known as what? Spread. Spread. So you must have heard about it. If you have not heard about it, that is what is called spread. If you're trading Bitcoin with lower leverage, it always comes with higher spread. But if you're trading Bitcoin with higher leverage, it comes with a smaller spread. It comes with low spread. So now let's proceed. First, you need to select the amount you wish to invest by clicking this button here as indicated by the arrow. So this will appear. Then you type in the amount. Let me go for $100. $100. Then you click this back for it to disappear. You click it back. Okay. The next step is to select the leverage. So because I selected Bitcoin with a leverage of 10, maximum leverage of 10, if you click it, you see lower leverage. So I'll just go for a leverage of 10. So we'll leave it like that. Then the next step is you do your market analysis and know if you're going for a buy position, if you're going to open a buy position or a sell position. How do you open a buy position? You open a buy position by clicking this buy button here, and you open a sell position by clicking the sell button below it, the sell button here, the sell button here. So the next thing, you need to do your analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, to know the next if Bitcoin is going to go up or if Bitcoin price is going to come down. So if you speculate at the end of a day or a week or a month that Bitcoin price is going to go up, then you click the buy button. You open a buy position. If you click the buy button, this is what will pop up. So if you look at limits now, this is where you set your stop loss and take profit. How does it work? Once you click on it, you see something like this. This is take profit, this is stop loss. To set your take profit, you just click the add button here, the add button. Once you do that, then you see something like this. So what you just do is to set the amount, either 10 or the percentage 10, and you click done here. So this means that once I make, if you look, I've set it 10%. If you look at it, you see 10% is $10. It shows you the amount. So if I open a position and I earn $10, automatically the trade will close and my $10 will be secured on my account. That is how take profit works. Then this is how you open a stop loss. You set your stop loss. You click the add button here on the stop loss. This will appear. Then you set the amount you can afford to lose if the trade is not going in your direction. So I will just set 50%, and 50% gives me $50. So once I'm done setting this, I'll just click the save button here. So I've set my take profit and stop loss. So once I open this position, I don't need to monitor it. I can just go my daily activities. So once $10 is secured, it will close my trade and secure my profit. So the next step, once you're done, the next step is to click the confirm button below. This is the confirm button here. Okay, I've opened the buy position. If you look closely, you see this line here. This line is your take profit line. So if the price of Bitcoin gets to this point, the trade will automatically close and your $10 will be secured. So that is how to open a buy position. But what if you don't want to, you want to monitor the trade, you want to scalp the trading, you want to do scalping, you want to monitor the trade and close it when you're on profit? What you just do is, once you're on profit, if you look at this portion of the screen, this shows you the present profit or loss that you're currently making. So once you're on profit and you decide to close this position or close this trade, what you just do is to click the close button here. Once you click the close button, it will secure your profit. You confirm, click the confirm, then it will secure your profit. That is when you're on profit already. If you don't want to set your stop loss or take profit, you want to monitor the trade as it goes. Then what if you want to open a sell position? Maybe you only open a sell position when, after doing analysis, and you feel that the price of Bitcoin is going to fall. So what you do is you click the sell button here. Once you click the sell button, this will appear. You set your profit, you set your take profit and stop loss as I earlier explained. Then you click the confirm button. So it will pick the position. Because I did not set stop loss and take profit, that's why it did not see any line, any take profit or stop loss line indicating. So now I open the sell position, meaning that I'm speculating that the price of Bitcoin is going to fall, and I'm using a leverage of 10. So if the price of Bitcoin falls by 1%, I'm going to earn, since my invested capital is 100, I'm going to earn $10. But if I'm trading without leverage, I'm supposed to earn $1. So that's the advantage of leverage. Once the price of Bitcoin falls below the bid price, so once the price of Bitcoin falls below the bid price here, that's when you start making profits. So once you start making profit, it will show here both the amount and the percentage profit. So once you're in on your profit that you're okay with, maybe after your analysis you feel that Bitcoin is going to fall by a certain percent, and once you're on profit, you can decide to close manually. That's if you did not set your take profit or stop loss. So that is how to trade cryptocurrency on this platform. That is how to trade cryptocurrency with leverage on your smartphone. This platform you're seeing is actually, I'm showing you this on my smartphone. So if you wish to deposit, there's a deposit icon here. If you click it, you see different method through which you can deposit. We have MasterCard here, we have Visa, we have Skrill, we have MSEPA, we have Bitcoin, we have Advanced Cash, we have Netella, we have Web Money. So these are different deposit options if you want to deposit on the platform and trade. Then if you also want to withdraw your profit, so you just come here, you click that button over there, then you see withdraw, here. So what you just do is you click withdraw, then you make your withdrawals. You make your withdrawal. These are the withdrawals I've done before, so that is how it works. So if this video was helpful, kindly subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell beside it so you get notified when I upload subsequent videos. So thank you.